Hello everyone. Just wanted to share with you a trade I made today in Crude. Is actually the last trade I make in my trip. I'm flying back to US at night today, so I'm not going to trade anymore. Just wanted to share with you a trade I made in Crude, as I said. So let's get started. Today is in March 27, 2023, which is Monday also. You see here I have crude in the 30 minutes. It is in an uptrend. Let me see here if yeah, I can mark it right there. So it was in an uptrend from in the pre-market, and then retraced back here to the moving averages there, and then it started to move up. Now, what I saw in the entry chart was, this move here to the upside. So we are making higher highs and higher lows, and there was a retracement here to the moving averages, and then if you see, I have trade. If you have followed me for a while, I have identified this pattern, which is a indecision pattern. So you go down, and I called it up down up down. In this case, you go down and then up down up, and then breaks above the this formation that you see right here. Okay, so again, up down, so it's kind of trying to bounce below the moving averages, but it fails, so it starts to go up. I entered it right here, one tick above this candle, and then moved up all the way to my target. So $200 for that one times 9 contracts is $1,800. So I'm gonna leave it there, and that is what I wanted to share with you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like the video. And if you do, press the like button down below, and also check the description. There are some links that could be of interest for you. Thank you so much for watching.